Hello everyone, my name is Janie Adame and I am a bilingual dyslexia interventionist. I am here to share this very exciting tool with you all. In honor of Dyslexia Awareness Month, I wanted to help you instill a love for learning. Not for learning, I'm sorry, but yes, a love for learning. Of course, you want to do that, but a love for reading. We'd like to think that all of our students go into the library very excited and ready to dig into a book. But as we know, one in five people have dyslexia. Therefore, not all students, have that same feeling of excitement when they walk into the library. And I want us to do our best to instill that in the classroom. Of course, you can instill that love for reading at home. And here's just another tool of being able to do that. So this is Vooks. You go to www.vooks.com. What Vooks is what it says right here, a read-along animated storybook. So this is an animated story. So these videos literally bring the books to life. They're amazing. Unfortunately, there is a small fee. Of course, all good things cost, right? So, but the good thing is that there is a teacher appreciation 1 year free promotion out there for you all to try out and check out, and you have to check it out. There's no strings attached, guys. You just fill out the information on the left hand side of the screen. There is nowhere for you to put a credit card number. Again, no strings attached. Once your year subscription is over and you don't want to continue, you don't have to worry about canceling anything. The good thing though is there are some books that are available in their free access category. I have already signed up for my account. It took me about 1 to 2 days, and that was just because it was a very high traffic number of people trying to get in on this deal. So again, 1 or 2 days it took me. You just receive an email confirmation once your account has been set up. You set up your login information. There's a place for you to browse. You can browse by categories. You can search by book title. Of course, they're promoting all the Halloween books at the moment. We do have some book. I have been able to find some books that are available in Spanish, so that was very exciting. There's not a lot, but there's some. There is Be Kind category. I know that's coming up. So not only is this a great tool to instill a love for learning in your classroom, it is a great tool to use in your classroom. I can see being seen used to identify, the beginning, middle, end of a story, to identify the point of view, a narrator's point of view. It's just so many. Guys, I promise you won't regret it. You have to check it out. Scaredy Squirrel. It's one of my favorites. It's hilarious. It really, really, truly brings the story to life. So check it out. I hope you get to check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Again, it was a pretty easy setup. I hope you guys enjoy. Most importantly, I hope your students enjoy and help us instill that love for learning. Goodbye.